1K! 1 km! Hey! 2 km! 3 km! So that's our 3 km recovery run. So natigil ulit ako ng 2 days kasi yung paa ko talaga is injured. So ito, so ngayon nakaka-recover na. And kita-kits ulit bukas. And syempre, run for your life. Let's go!